Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 983, minimum cost for tickets. It's a really interesting problem to solve because of this particular condition. I'll explain you what exactly this is. But before that, let's just check out one example. We will get two variables, days and costs. Okay, and we have three options to get our passes. Assume that we get bus passes, and we have three options for that. We can get a single day pass, we can get a pass for 7 days, and we can get a pass for 30 days. Okay, and cost array, which we saw in the example, basically represents the cost of these passes. Cost of zero represent the cost of 1 day pass, cost of one represent cost of 7 day pass, and so on. Okay, and days basically represents the days of the month in which we want to travel. For example, I want to travel on 1st of, let's say, April, 4th of April, 6th of April, 7th of April, 8th of April, and so on. Okay. So we have to basically minimize the cost. Okay. So how will you do that? What is the way forward to it? So I'm going to use DP to solve this problem. And what I'll be doing is I will basically prepare a mapping for the complete month. For example, if you see this, we don't have 2, 3 in it, and 9 to 19 in it, and any dates after 20, right? But what I'll be doing is I'll prepare a complete mapping of the whole month from day 1 to day 31st. Okay. And I'm going to populating all the details. I just want to make the problem simpler. Okay. So how will you do that? How we will proceed further? I'm going to use DP, and I for each day I will check how can I minimize my travel cost. We will check for each and individual day. So let's just let's move to the solution. I'll explain you what exactly we need to do to solve that. Okay. Okay. So first thing is I want to create a set of days. So I'm just simplifying things a bit. That's it. First day of my travel will be minimum from days, right? And last day will be maximum of days. Okay. Now I want to assign a maximum cost for each day, right? So let's take it max number or max cost, whatever we want to take, equals to float infinity. Okay. Now I want to create my DP. I will take what? Like I'll take it as a dictionary. Like this will work, or you can also take array. But I think it will be a little confusing with the indexes. So let's just keep this way. Okay. Next is I want to initialize all my values from date 30th to 1, like for the complete month with 0. So to do that, what I'll be doing is, or you can just think of it as an I'm initializing. Let's do this way. Let's make it a little simpler. Mm, I 0 for minus 30, which will be the last row, to first a and with increment of increment of 1. Okay, so we will have a DP defined with this. Okay. Next is on the days when I want to travel, I want to set those values with infinity. Okay. So I think we don't even need this variable. So let's just get rid of this. So what I'll do is for day in days, I'm just simply traversing the days array. For all the DP for day, I want to assign that as float infinity. Okay. So I'm just setting a reference of all the numbers which I want to type because I want to minimize this cost for each day, right? And it will be easier for us to compare with an infinity value. So that is the reason why we took this step. Next, it's very simple now. Just iterate through in range. First date, first day. I think I have better type over here as well. First day till last day, last day plus one. Okay. Run a loop. If your I is in days map, okay, then what you would like to do, uh, I want to keep it simple. Okay, so how will I do that? I will check for each available option. So how will you do that? So I'll check for what is the minimum between the current value and if I take a single day pass and we'll get the cost of it. Costs. Okay. So this is for single day pass. Single day pass. Okay. I want to do something similar for 7 day pass and 30-day pass. 7 day for 7, it will be I minus 7. Okay. And cost will be cost of 1. For 30, it's gonna be simple. I minus 30 and cost of 2. So what we are doing over here is essentially we are just checking with each available option, which is the best option for us for that particular day. Okay. Now, once we are done with one more thing, if the day is not in the days map, I want to simply just save the value of its previous day. Okay. This is done. Like this was the complete solution. At the end, I will just simply pass my value at last day. This is it. This was the complete solution. Let's check out the test cases. So the test case got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted, and I would say we performed really well. We outperformed 83.5% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks, guys, for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.